Hey, welcome back to Cyber Techy SARRANNH. Today we are going to learn how to change or add domain with your blogger. If you are not subscribed Cyber Techy SARRANNH, please subscribe our channel for latest updates. Let's get started. First of all, open your blogger, then select settings, then select basic, then select the cross mark here because we want to remove the domain from this blog. Now it's removed. Now check this blog domain is available or not. Click on view blog. The site can be reached. It's not available. Just try again. Just copy this domain. Just paste here. Let's search. Yes, it's available now. But we want to change our new domain with this blog. Then go to your domain dashboard. I am buying domain from Hostinger. Now select your domain name. Copy from here. Then come back to your blogger. If you have a domain, you can buy from here. Click on buy a domain. You can easily buy a domain from here. We are going to change our domain name. Click on the setup a third party domain, then paste here which one we are copy from our control panel. Then click on save. There is some error it will show because we want to enter www dot before the domain name. Just type www dot our domain name, then click on save. It will show like this. We have not been able to verify your authority to this domain, so we want to verify our authority with this domain. Then select the destination target, first one ghs.google.com. then come back to your domain dashboard, then select DNS zone. Then scroll down, then select this CNAME, then paste here, then click on save. Then come back to your blogger, copy this from here, then go to your CNAME, then enter here, then go to your blogger, then select the fourth one, copy this one, go to your blog domain dashboard, then paste here, then click on save. Now DNS record successfully created. Again, then select view setting instructions from the blogger dashboard. Then scroll down. From the step 3, copy this IP, then go to your dashboard, then select a host, then click on add new. In this section, host, enter here and add at. Then select point to, then paste here. then select 1 hour and click on save. DNS recorded. Then copy the second one, click on add new, enter at the host section, then select point 2, paste here, then select 1 hour and click on save. We want to add the balance 2 IP address here, and select the third one, then select add at point 2 here, place 1 hour and click on save. Then go to your tree and select the fourth one, then add new, paste here and host, enter at, and also change the time to 1 hour, then click on save. Now DNS created successfully. Then come back to our Blogger dashboard and click on back and click on save. Setting we are saved successfully. Now you can see here redirected to our new domain. Now let's check our domain is available or not. Just copy here, select a new tab, then paste here, click on enter. This site can't be reached. Just refresh. Don't worry, it will take up to 48 hours, then our site will be available on internet. In some cases it will available nearly 1 hour within 2 hours. Let's check once again. Copy, go to your, now just refresh. Yes, now it's available. Now our site is redirected to our new domain. We can see here. Changing your domain name, you want to change your title name, all your post category links, want to add new domain name, and also you want to change in search preference meta tags and .txt files. All you want to change your new domain name. I'm changing my title name. Now you can see title name we are changed. Also you want to change the categories link from HTML tags. If you have any doubts in this section, you can ask with me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.